Welcome back to Living Oklahoma. We are loving it this Friday, and it's time to wrap up the week with our Mad Science Friday finale. Our favorite mad scientists are back in the lab to break down the difference between hot and cold water. Check it out.
Yes, we are the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof indeed.
We are so happy to be here because do you know what time of year it is?
It's spring.
I'm so excited. It's time to get warm. It's time
I like the cold better, but it's fun.
It's time to get back in the pool. It's time to...
That actually is a plus.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, now think about this. Did you know that in the summertime, not only are you warmer, but water is warmer, air is warmer, all of that. And did you know that the molecules, the building blocks that make up air and water, they tend to move faster when they're warmer.
So they gotta go fast in spring and summer.
Yeah, check this out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You wanna do this at home? Make sure you ask who?
Mom and Dad, parent or pet.
Yeah,
if they are highly intelligent.
Okay. Get their permission first. I've got hot water. You've got cold water. We're going to put it right in here in our glasses. Okay, so this is hot, and you can probably tell by the fog on this glass that that's hot. Okay, now check this out. At the same time, we're going to drop some food coloring in here. I'm going to put some in here. You put some in there. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, now if you look, you can see that the blue is kind of hanging out together. It moved around and it's swirling, but the red is almost totally mixed in already.
What?
See? It's because the molecules, the building blocks that it's made of, are moving faster here, and they're mixing it up by themselves. And right there, you can still see it's kind of marbled in there, like a really good steak that you put on the grill in the middle of the summertime.
Huh.
And this one's all mixed up.
That was like 50% faster. Well, not 50%, like 2 times faster.
Yeah.
Because this half was done. Your entire thing was done.
And it's still there. You can try it at home. Glass of water, cold, glass of water, hot, food coloring, and it'll be cool, and you'll say, how did that happen? And here's the cool thing, you can explain it. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep, you can impress everyone who didn't watch this
With
video.
your knowledge and skill. Yeah, and that's what we have for you from the Mad Science Lab. Now here's the thing. You can take summer camps with us this summer.
Yes, you can.
Yes, just go to our website, Mad Science OKC, and sign up for camps. We got like 21 throughout the entire summer.
21 camps.
Also have birthday parties with Mad Science. Can you imagine doing this either in the Mad Science Lab or at your home? How cool would that be?
That would be awesome.
Oh, turn around. Let them see your lab coat. Yeah, did you know that you could get a lab coat just like this? So check us out.
Miles.
That's right, you can be like Miles. Yeah. So check us out. So happy to work with you today. Thanks for having us on Living Oklahoma. We'll see you next time right here in the Mad Science Lab with the Dogs of Science.
Bye.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
Oh, look at Miles styling and profiling today. We love it. We'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 with another Mad Science Experiment Monday. You can also visit okcmadscience.org for more STEM fun.